Hi everyone, I'm Professor Sally Eaves, and today I'd love to highlight some key predictions that have been released across 3 new reports coming from Splunk. And the focus of this short video is to highlight some of my key takeaways from the Executive Prediction Report. And it's based on insights from senior leaders and key tech experts right across Splunk, which you can download now freely at the link in this post. So after a challenging 2 years of heightened disruption, I think constant change, it's difficult maybe to chart the way ahead for 2022. But Splunk has highlighted what they feel lays ahead. I think there's something in these reports to personalise for you that can help us all on that journey. So one prediction that stands out for me is that organisations will need a new approach to talent acquisition and also to talent retention too, the talent wars we've all been talking about. So this is a subject that's always been very close to my heart, but maybe sometimes been periphery in mainstream discussions. However, with the last 2 years forever changing and catalysing new ways of working, this is now something that is centre stage. And it includes a more holistic focus on employees' needs, which not only involves management strategies around employee well-being and work-life balance, but also includes, I think this is vital, new approaches to mental health resources that can really help employees to thrive. And another prediction to note is that Splunk predict that 2022 is the year that edge computing hype really hits its peak. And this has been a conversation I think we're all aware that's been around for some years now, and the volume around it, the noise has been rising, maybe creating the risk you will be tempted to tune out. But the research here literally shouts out, don't do that. With accelerating initiatives for 5G and also other technologies too, this year is pegged now to be the year of edge computing, and a true coming in age, I would say, for associated use cases ranging from remote working to service provisioning and also extended collaboration. And there are so many more predictions highlighted with this report, so I recommend you download it to explore the extended information and really personalise those insights to those that matter most to you. So thank you for watching, and look out for more commentary on the 2 other reports coming very soon. Thanks very much.